In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a project. We're going to purchase the project called How to Create a Project. And you'll notice that before I do this, if I click on the Create a Project tab, the system says, sorry, but you'll need to upgrade to use this area of the software. So obviously what we're going to do in purchasing the project, we get to find out more information about the tasks that are inside this project, but more importantly, we get to access extra areas of the software. Now before I run this video, I am just going to change my logon so that I don't send any real money off. So the screens you're about to see are very similar to the ones that you'll see when you do this for real. I'll click on Buy Now, and the first thing we get is a screen where we've got a secure order form from PayPal. You can either, as a client, buy the project using a PayPal account, or you can just use any of these standard credit cards. In this example, I'm going to show what happens if you use a standard credit card. I'll click on Continue, and here's the screen where you would normally type in the typical kind of credit card information. You click on Review Order and Continue, and you can just confirm that everything's right, and here's where you can leave a message for the seller as well if you like. And you click on Pay Now, and in real life, PayPal would take a few seconds to validate your credit card. Once it's done that, it would come back and say, thank you for your payment. As you can see from the top here, it's important that after payment you click on Return to BizNet to allow this software to complete the registration. So I'm going to do that. Click on this button, Return to BizNet, Business on the Internet. And now we can click on Continue. And the software has said, congratulations. Your username and password will be emailed immediately to the email address you provide. This may take a few seconds, please be patient. So I'm going to type in an email address. And click on OK. And what the software is now doing is sending off an email to the client. And in that email, the information that needs to be typed into this screen will appear. If I just flick briefly to my email program, you'll see an email that looks something like this, where it shows your account name and your password. So the account name is the email address that I just gave it, which would be shown in the confirmation email, and the password that is also given in the confirmation email. And the system is asking to change the password the first time you come in, so I'll just do that. And now that your credit card's been validated and you've got a new account name, you can see that the button's gone green, so you can now view the project. But more importantly, if I click on Create Project, whereas before it said I couldn't get to this area of the software, now I obviously can get to this area of the software. If I go to My Projects, that project that we just purchased called How to Create a Project is now showing up, and we can do all the things that we'd like to normally do when we're looking at projects in the system. And that's how you go about buying a project in Virtual Trainer.